Hello, friends. Welcome to today's video. Today, we will start reading the English story in English language. If you are visiting our channel for the first time, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Alright, friends, let's get started. The Power of Perseverance, the story of Ayan and the mountain. Once upon a time, in a peaceful village nestled at the foot of a great mountain, lived a young boy named Ayan. The mountain was no ordinary one, its towering peaks were covered in mist, and many believed that no man had ever reached the summit. For generations, the villagers had spoken of the mountain as an untamable force of nature, something to be respected and feared. Ayan, however, had a dream. He wanted to conquer that mountain. From the day he could remember, he would stare at its peaks, wondering what lay beyond. While the villagers discouraged him, calling it an impossible feat, his heart burned with determination. You'll never make it, Ayan, they would say. Even the strongest men in the village have failed to climb that far. But Ayan wasn't swayed by their words. To him, failure was not a deterrent, it was a stepping stone to success. I'll try, and I'll try again until I reach the top, he would reply with a smile. As Ayan grew older, he trained every day. He woke before sunrise and ran through the village, building his stamina. He climbed smaller hills to prepare himself, his muscles growing stronger with each ascent. When people laughed at him, he let their mockery fuel his resolve. Even his friends teased him at times. Why waste your time, Ayan? They would ask. The mountain is impossible. But Ayan believed that the word impossible was just a challenge waiting to be proven wrong. Finally, on his 18th birthday, Ayan decided it was time. He packed his belongings, some food, water, a rope, and a sturdy walking stick, and stood at the foot of the mountain. A small crowd of villagers gathered to watch him, many shaking their heads. This boy will come back by tomorrow, one man whispered. He'll give up like everyone else, said another. Ayan heard their words, but he didn't let them enter his heart. He took a deep breath and began his climb. The lower slopes of the mountain were gentle, with grassy fields and wildflowers dancing in the wind. The climb seemed easy at first, and Ayan was filled with confidence. He hummed to himself as he climbed, the excitement of the journey pushing him forward. But as he rose higher, the path grew steeper and more treacherous. The grass gave way to jagged rocks, and the wind grew fierce, almost as if the mountain itself were testing him. On the second day, a storm rolled in. Thunder roared across the sky, and the rain fell in sheets. Ayan found shelter under a large boulder, shivering as he waited for the storm to pass. Doubt began to creep into his mind. Maybe they were right, he thought. Maybe this mountain can't be climbed. But then he remembered why he had started. He thought of all the years he had prepared, the countless days he had spent dreaming of this moment. He couldn't stop now. As soon as the storm cleared, Ayan rose to his feet, soaked and tired but more determined than ever. The days that followed were grueling. The air grew thinner, making it hard to breathe. Ayan's body ached, his muscles screaming for rest. At times, he stumbled and fell, bruising himself against the rocks. Every time he fell, though, he picked himself up. One step at a time, he whispered to himself. Just one step at a time. On the sixth day, he reached a particularly steep cliff face. He looked up and saw no clear path forward. Ayan's heart sunk, and for the first time, fear gripped him. How was he supposed to climb this sheer wall? He sat down, staring at the obstacle before him, wondering if this was the end of his journey. Then he noticed a small bird fluttering nearby, building a nest on the side of the cliff. It would fly up, carrying one tiny stick at a time, building its home patiently and tirelessly. Ayan watched the bird and realized something important: success didn't come from leaps and bounds. It came from small, consistent efforts. If the bird can keep going, so can I, Ayan told himself. He took out his rope and tied it securely around his waist. Slowly, he began his ascent, finding cracks and crevices to grip with his hands and feet. His progress was slow, but he didn't stop. He thought only of the next move, the next handhold, the next step upward. After hours of relentless effort, he pulled himself over the edge of the cliff, his body trembling with exhaustion. He had done it. On the 10th day of his climb, Ayan awoke to a sight he would never forget. As the first rays of sunlight broke through the clouds, the mist that had shrouded the mountain began to clear. For the first time, Ayan could see the summit, so close yet still just out of reach. Tears filled his eyes as he realized how far he had come. His body was battered, his hands were raw, and his strength was nearly gone. But his spirit? His spirit was unbreakable. I didn't come this far to stop now, he whispered. With a final burst of energy, Ayan pushed himself forward. Every step was a struggle, but he kept moving. Hours passed, and then, at long last, he reached the summit. He stood on top of the world, surrounded by clouds and silence. The view was more beautiful than anything he had ever imagined. Tears streamed down Ayan's face as he fell to his knees. He had done what everyone said was impossible. He had conquered the mountain. When Ayan returned to the village, the people couldn't believe their eyes. They gathered around him, astonished. You did it? An old man asked in disbelief. Ayan smiled and nodded. Yes, I did. How? Someone else asked. How did you do what no one else could? Ayan looked at the crowd and said, I climbed with my heart, not just my body. When I fell, I got back up. When the mountain tested me, I persevered. Success doesn't come to those who stop when it gets hard. It comes to those who keep going, step by step, no matter how impossible it seems. From that day on, Ayan became a legend in the village. People stopped using the word impossible so freely. They looked at the mountain not as an enemy, but as a reminder that with perseverance, anything could be achieved. And so, Ayan's story spread far and wide, inspiring countless others to chase their dreams, to face their mountains, and to believe in the power of never giving up.